everyone, welcome to my class. Assalamualaikum and hello my precious students. Today's weather is cloudy, which is a good day to teach all of you. So, we are still in the same topic, which is Unit 3, Wild Weather. And without further ado, let's start our session. Our objective for today's class are, you need to be able to guess 4 words related to weather. Next, listen and rewrite the article about natural disaster. And lastly, listen and match 2 halves of the sentences. This is just basically a very simple activities in today's video. Also, our main topic in this video is natural disaster, and we will focusing on listening skills. Okay class, I want all of you to play a Hangman game. Have you played this game before?
No, I don't know.
No? It's okay. This is just a simple game where all of you need to guess and spell the right words based on the pictures that I will show you later. If you guess a wrong answer, you will lose 1 point and I will draw a head of a man. If I manage to draw a complete man or human, you will lose this game. So, better guess and spell the word correctly, students. Okay, for the first question, we have this one. At the beginning of the word, we have the letter F. Can you guess what word or natural disaster is this?
Can I try?
Yes, you can, of course.
I think the answer would be flood. The right spelling for the word flood is F-L-O-O-D. Is it correct, teacher?
Wow, that's a good guess. Okay, let's see the right answer for the first question. Yes, good job, student. You spelled the word correctly. The answer is flood. Okay, moving on to the next question. It seems so hard to guess. Okay, students, what is the answer for question number 2?
I think the right spelling for this word is H-A-R-R-U-I. I don't know. I gave up, teacher.
Are you sure to give up, students? If you are wrong, I will draw a man, which means you lose 1 point.
Yes, teacher, I want to know the right answer for this. We give up.
Okay, let's see the answer for this one. This is the right spelling for hurricane. Since you are loose, I will draw a head for question number 2. Students, you need to spell correctly. If not, you will lose this game, okay? Alright, moving on to question number 3. I will give a hint for this word. The right pronunciation for this word is drought. I repeat, drought. So, based on the pronunciation just now, how do you spell this word?
Okay, I got it. The right spelling for this word is D-R-O-U-G-H-T. Am I correct, teacher?
Okay, let's see the right answer. Yes, congratulations! This is how you spell drought. You need to remember after this, okay? Alright, let's moving on to the last question, which is question number 4. I guess this is the simple word for all of you. Can you guess what is the answer for question number 4?
Easy peasy lemon squeezy, teacher. I know how to spell this word. The right spelling for this word is S-T-O-R-M, and it is a storm.
Okay, let's see the answer. Wow, congratulations! You have spelled the word correctly. So, you have won this game. Yay! Yay! Since all of you are managed to win the previous game, let's moving on to the lesson of the day. Okay class, look at this word. Do you know what is natural disaster? Okay, natural disaster is a major adverse event that can cause a great damage or loss of life. Okay, can you give me example of natural disaster that has happened in Malaysia?
We have flood, storm.
Yes, one of the examples is flood. We have lost a lot of people during natural disaster happens. So far so good, class. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, since all of you already know the meaning and example of natural disaster, let's proceed our lesson with class activity. All of you need to listen to an audio about predicting natural disaster. Okay, that's the topic. And you need to rewrite the whole audio in a simple essay. You need to listen carefully and copy the words correctly. For this activity, you are free to rewind the audio as long as you are trying your best to copy the article and complete it within 10 minutes, okay? You can wear headphones or speaker for a better hearing. So, good luck, students! All the best! Oops.
The best way to predict or tell when natural disasters will occur is to study ones that have already happened, full stop. This gives scientists important information about the events that lead up to disasters, full stop. It also helps the scientists understand the forces of nature that cause the disasters, full stop. Scientists have developed a good understanding of the factors that lead to hurricanes, tornadoes, and flooding, full stop. Predicting events such as earthquakes and volcanic eruptions, however, is much more difficult, full stop. Volcanoes may give warning signs, such as leaking gases or spouting lava, before erupting, but sometimes they erupt with no warning at all, full stop. Earthquakes are also difficult to predict, full stop. However, scientists are aware of the regions in the world where earthquakes are most likely to occur, full stop. In these places, they use equipment to monitor any changes that might suggest an earthquake is about to happen, full stop.
Okay, class, since you have listened to the audio about predicting natural disaster, we are going to look at the answer for this class activity. You need to make your own corrections while checking the answer. This is the answer for the class activity. You can pause this slide so that you can refer to it easily. Let's moving on to the class exercise. Now, you need to listen to a forecast and match two halves of the sentences. I will play the forecast once only, so you need to focus as there will be a questions later. Okay?
Here is the weather. Welcome to the weather forecast. Now, let's see what the weather is like today. In the north of the country, it's very windy and cold. There is a chance of some rain too, so don't leave home without your umbrella. The temperature is around 10 degrees centigrade. In the east, it's rainy all day today, I'm afraid. There may be a thunderstorm in the afternoon. The temperature is a bit higher at around 13 degrees. In the west and middle of the country, the weather is dry but cloudy. So, no rain for you, but it is quite windy, and the temperature is just 10 degrees. The south of the country has the best weather today. It's cloudy most of the time, but sunny this afternoon. The temperature is around 15 degrees.
This recording was brought to you by the British Council.
Okay, class, since you have listened to the forecast before, You are now given 5 minutes to complete this exercise. You can answer this exercise in your notebooks. Later on, we will discuss the answer. Good luck, students! Before that, let's read the instruction for this class exercise. Check your understanding, matching. Do this exercise while you listen. Match two halves of the sentence and write A until D next to the number 1 until 4. Let's take a look at question number 1. The statement is, the weather in the north is mostly... So the answer for number 1 is D, which is windy. Okay, let's take a look at number 2. The weather in the east is mostly... The right answer for number 2 is A, which is rainy. Class, just to remind you, if you are wrong, you may correct the exercise by yourself, okay? Okay, let's moving on to number 3. The weather in the west is mostly, and the answer is C, which is dry and cloudy. For the last one, the weather in the south is mostly, and the answer is B, cloudy and sunny. Okay, who got all correct? Congratulations! Yay! Okay, we have reached the end of today's lesson. So far, all of you are managed to guess words related to weather, listen and rewrite the whole audio, and also listen to a forecast and answer the whole questions. Good job, everyone! Give a big applause to all of you. Okay, now let's look at the moral values. Firstly, we need to be alert and prepared. As for example, some places might be facing the natural disaster every year. So we can take note about the timing and dates so that we can prevent ourselves from going to those places. Okay, next, we need to take care of our earth. We can plant trees so that we can avoid global warming, and sometimes natural disasters might be happen because of the earth is getting sick. So we as a human need to take care of it, okay? So I guess that's all for today's video, and like usual, we will see each other next week. Bye bye and Assalamualaikum.